Hey friends, welcome to Living It Country. Today I am so excited to have Lauren from The Little Homesteader on Instagram sharing her beautiful home for the Christmas 2020 season. I am so excited to share her home today. You guys, she has not only the most beautiful home, but such amazing decorating ideas. You guys are gonna get so inspired. So without further ado, let's tour her home today.
Hey everyone, it's Lauren from At the Little Homesteader. I'm going to be filming our home Christmas tour. So here we go. This is the front of our house. The porch, I've got all my wreaths here. Little porch swing back there. I'm really hoping to get that set up with a bunch of different Christmas trees around it next year. I've got this little lit up tree there that I got from Target. The pillows I got from Amazon. And then here, I love this. It's fake kale, just from Hobby Lobby that I stuck into a pot there. But it's good for year-round stuff. Looks good in the fall, and then I keep it out at Christmas time too. And then we've got another tree there from Target that lights up at night. And then around here is our front door. The tree there by the door is from Target also. And then here I've got some smaller trees and some more kale with some garland that lights up at night. This is, this little white bench is a piano bench that I took the lid off of, and I just changed it out with the seasons. I put plants in there to go with the seasons, but I painted it white. And then this sled, it's been in the family. It's an antique, but I'm not sure. I think it's a grandmother's or grandfather on, I don't know which side of the family, but I thought it was cute. They're propped up for some Christmas decor on the front porch. And then our wreath is from Michael's. So we'll head inside. So here is our living area. I found this cute little table runner at Hobby Lobby. These are from Pottery Barn. And then the little vases are from Hobby Lobby too. And I just cut some greenery off of our bushes outside to stick in those. Our tree is from King of Christmas. It's my favorite. It's the Queen Flocked tree. It's so gorgeous. If you don't know what King of Christmas is, you definitely should check out their page. They have the most beautiful trees. And then here I've just got some garland with my little houses lit up. And this year I did gold and white with a little bit of black and white buffalo check for the tree. And our fireplace, I have garland on the mantle, and what I did, I went out and cut off some cedar branches from the trees in the backyard, and to make it just a little bit more full and, I don't know, realistic looking, I just stuck cedar up there on the mantle. Added a little bit of little red berries from Hobby Lobby, some pine cones, and then some fake eucalyptus up in there too. The stockings are from Pottery Barn. I just had those monogrammed for us. But I thought my garland really turned out good. Those little candles, they're the flameless faux candles. I got those off of Amazon and I love them. I love the way that they look. I'm gonna buy more for my windows. Here's from the other side. And then my pillows. I love some pillows. I will buy pillows and just keep on buying them when I don't need them. But I usually get my pillows from Target, TJ Maxx, or Kirkland's. This one is actually from Tractor Supply. The Merry Christmas one, I found that last year. I thought it was cute, from Tractor Supply. And then the garland on the stairs. It's the same garland that I have on my mantle. And I just went out and cut some cedar branches and stuck it in there. Like, I didn't even need to use the floral wire. I just literally just stuck it kind of in the garland so that it hangs down and it gives it sort of like a cascading effect for the stairs. I really like how it turned out. I might add some ribbon to it next year for the front. And then all these little trees I find at Michael's or Target. And I love it. Then in the kitchen here, I've got the faux stems that I find them at Hobby Lobby, and I like to leave them long, stick it in a really kind of a big vase and just leave them long and let them sort of fan out and look natural. I love the way that looks. I've got some garland here above the sink, and a little sign there that helps hide the outlets. And we'll head to the dining area. And here are these plates I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I really love them. It's sort of like, you know, rustic. I love deer antler type rustic decor, so it really went well with my style. And then these candles again, same ones that were on my mantle that I got from Amazon, and they're battery operated. I really like them a lot. I'm planning to get more. And then this little trough here was made, my brother and sister-in-law made it, and I just stuck cedar branches in it with some pine cones. So pretty simple there. Table runner is from Pottery Barn. The chargers are from Pottery Barn also. Next year I'll do cute little wreaths on the back of our chairs there. But that's our dining area. Come around this way. And another thing I want to do for next year is add some cute red kitchen rugs, just to change them out for the season. I think that would add a really cute touch for Christmas here. But that is our Christmas home tour for our living space. Another goal for next year is to decorate our master bedroom and deck that out for Christmas as well. So thanks for coming along and watching my tour. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.